What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna get right in it. I got the latte and the 2023 BMW 740. We're gonna hit up Competition BMW. They're supposed to have a cool, dope car meet out there. If you guys like the car meet content, I try to make it a little spicy, show you guys what I think some of the best cars, and we're just gonna get straight into it. If you guys have not checked out the review video on that, then check it out. If there is no review video out on that so far, it's because I haven't got done editing it and this video just made its way first. But let me just stop so you can see the girth of this lovely boy right here. The girth is crazy. I had to park it in typical BMW style. Everybody is lined up like this, and I just had to throw it like this because this car just deserves the attention that it brings. God, this thing is beautiful. It's a boat. Watch my review on it. I call it the sexiest looking brick, or it feels like I'm driving a refrigerator. But BMW has changed my mind about the way I viewed big, giant, luxury cars. Look at this. You got to love it. Put a drive sport. He don't know what time it is, boy. Anything he wanted to smoke. Look at him. I seen that first little hit. Don't let me line it up with you. It's gonna be over. And just like that, guys, we have arrived. Look at that, 440. Sheesh. It's looking like it's already packed out here, man. Yeah, it's looking real packed out here, boy. What's up, bro? Look at that GTR 370Z. Where's my car? Ooh. God, this line is crazy. I'm gonna find my car real quick. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. I've never been a fan of 7 Series. I never looked at them, never liked them. I've driven them. But this right here, they might have look like a freaking Toyota Civic. I keep saying that. A Honda Civic. They got a track experience. They tried to clean it, but it's filthy. Man, I gotta go to you guys. I'm going to the next one. I promise you. No matter what, I'm going to the next one. When I get this thing back on the road, we running the Turbo S. We're doing 6130. We're doing everything. One shot, not playing. It's right here. It's definitely a wrap. My man, BMW Owens Mills. Oh, okay. Got a wrap on it. Looking good. I like how it's two-tone though. It reminds me of Sao Paulo yellow, but little extra on that. Looks very nice too. Very nice. I like that. Mint condition, yo. I wonder how many miles this thing has on it. You in a northern state yesterday?
No, I didn't.
Oh, okay. It was an M5CS.
I did coming out here. Yeah.
Coming.
You were in the gray.
I was in the M4. Yo, bro, this is very fast. I was scared, bro. I was like, holy cow.
I know. It's the slowest car I own. But
Yeah? This is the slowest one you own.
Yeah, my team is.
Wow. Yo, Mike. I was like, if this is your car by any chance, man, you're a madman. I called my boy and I'm like, I don't know what he has in that M5CS.
It's all fast.
It's a fast car, man.
That's right. It's underrated.
Yeah, no, it really is. I got gapped by that CS, by the way. I got gapped. It cannot be stopped. What's up, how you doing? Frozen paint. I don't even want to touch it. It looks dope. I think it's a $3,600 option, and it looks fire. This is fire. They got all the white cars lined up. E3640. Oh, I didn't even notice. 3646 92. We got some crazy cars right here. This is the 430. I always like the Ferraris, bro. You ask me, Ferrari or Lambo. I started out a Lambo guy, but Ferraris won my heart, especially with that new F8, the SF90. Lambo ain't got shit for that, bro. This thing's beautiful. McLaren. McLaren always wins by default, but you have the doors up. This thing is, nah. See, this is what I want to do to the M4, bro. This is fire. Winter time? Is this factory? It's definitely not, it's definitely a wrap. This might be factory. This is stock Lambo, or let me not say stock, but stock height compared to the. Sheesh. I never knew the difference between an STO and a regular one until now. This is crazy. What the fuck? Bro. That's crazy. Vented doors. It's another STO. Yo, you can see the tires. Look at that. Big bad black boy right here. This is a badass Escalade, boy. This is what I feel like when I'm riding around in the 7. This. Boom. Some 24s. Yep. Look at that. Come on, y'all know I'm from the South. I know my wheel sizes, man. 1,000 likes in this video. You're buying a 7 Series and putting some 24s on them. 100 likes, 1,000 likes. I seen one of these available in Turo for rent. What do you guys think? I thought about it. Just give you my impressions versus the M4. Surprisingly, this car is mad old, like technology and everything like that out of this thing. I mean, I'm pretty sure this is the newer version of it, but this car is kind of old. And I'm curious to see how it stacks up as far as feel when it comes to the M4, because a lot of people say the M4 is muted, but I want to see. I've never really driven a GTR hard, and I figure the best way to do it is Turo. That Starbucks is probably hot as a motherfucker in that thing, but crazy fire wheels. It reminds me of the SM10s. This thing's nice. I have a soft spot for RS3s. BJ, if you're watching this, turn it off. But this is a very fast car you'd buy your daughter. I don't know. This is how I feel. I know it is fast. I know it can gap my car and launch and all this stuff, but looks nice though. And I love the potential TTRS, all those things, man. Crazy, crazy potential. That Lambo, crazy. Another 430. This is the Vert. See what I'm saying? Ferrari just does it differently. I don't know. This looks race car, and the leather's crazy. I wonder how much these things go for. These things are nice. Instant classic. See, I know what time it is. GoPro on the hat. GoPro on the motherfucking hat. M5CS. This is probably the best color they make. It's not the Frozen. Is it the Frozen? Nah, it's definitely not the Frozen. Turbo S. This is my baby. This shit look nice. God. Ferrari, Lambo. I don't know. Just give me the Porsche. What's that? Nah, this is I edited myself and everything. Oh, this is nice too. What is it? What's this? The 850, 840? 840. That thing is nice, man.
That's tough. I like that.
Yeah, I just randomly be this. Yeah. Typical GoPro. I mean, I took off the battery thing so it don't overheat that much. The door.
Yeah, when you put it like that, it like.
Yeah.
That's the best thing. The best way to do it.
Yeah, and it's easy. You walking around. Yeah.
What you see is like basically what's on the camera. Like
this shit's fire, bro. I like it.
Yeah.
What's good, bro?
I just made an Instagram page too.
Yeah.
So, like, I'm trying to get into like.
What is it?
MPAC.8.
Got you.
Yeah.
PAK, PAC.
PACK.
Got you.
.8. Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna walk around and get some more footage, but yeah, bro, nice. Whew, it's Porsche though. God damn. I'm just happy with this. What's good, brother? When you gonna let me race this, man? I'll drive it. Look. Nah, I don't want to mess up your car, man. Oh, you got your daughter in the back?
My son. And
Yo, wait. You have a son?
Yeah.
I thought you had a daughter. Oh, yo, what's up, little Kevin, dude? How you liking it though, dad life?
It's nice.
Yeah?
It's a different vibe.
Congratulations, brother.
Thank you.
I don't know, I'd be so proud for you guys. It's like tattoos. I love them, but I don't want one. Yeah, I know, you just crazy with it. Yo, later, bro. It's my guy, Kevin, European Auto. Honestly, I can't see much. Yo, nah.
using that shit.
Yo, yeah, drive with it. You gotta look past the mount. Like you have to look at the top and then look past it. Yeah, that's what it is, man. I don't drive too aggressive with it though. Yeah, you know. Yeah. Well, you can see. Oh, this is the ZL1. Is this the ZL1? That might be the SS. Whew. STI? Is it? Or WRX? I don't know, but this is probably one of the better looking ones. It's a newer version. It's been a thing in life recently where car companies will make an ugly or a newer version than they did the older one. It's weird. Don't at me. F80, NSX. Got some nice cars here. Hyundai's really stepping their game up. This thing is nice, man. It's huge. Oh, it's a TRX, the Hellcat engine. I didn't even know I like it. Nice and subtle to the back. I wouldn't have known, man. What you got done to it? Any type of...
Not just the wheels lifted.
Yeah. I mean, 700 already fast enough. Yeah. Yo, take it easy, brother. Whoo. Damn. That's a bad bitty right there. Whoever's F82 this is, I actually really like it, man. I like the way it's set up. The color's nice. It's this Laguna Seca with the Apex wheels. I think this is the same car in a previous video a long time ago. I think this might be the Joe fastest one. I'm judging by the nittos. My guy look like he moves. G80. I think I know who this one is too. Don't quote me on that. Young kid used to have the Q50. Nice dude too. F80 on bags. BBS's. This is a Cali build, straight up. Clean too. Clean. Oh, 6-speed. Carbon fiber fenders. What's up, brother? What y'all think about these one? This thing is nice, man. Oh shit, you the M5, the manual M5. Oh yeah, man, this thing is clean as a bad boy. I was saying this is one of them Cali builds right here, bro.
It's good.
Yeah, shit, man. The M4's over there. Dang, I never seen a lip like this before. This is like a two-piece lip. M340 with the VRS. I don't know. SM10's got it. Ever since I seen my guy Lou, SM10's got it. You already know who that is. E30 M3. My man AJ come out to all the events. What's this? I don't even know, but it got a little 1J in it. Little 1J. Wait, stock twin? This is stock? You always tell 1J from a 2J. 1J 25 is a 2.5 liter and a 2J is a 3. Everybody love the 2J, but the 1J's put in work too. Just not enough work. Not enough to gap the M4. F80. Whew, that's a sexy color right there. That's sexy. Looks like it's dying out. I think I got here a little late. Oh, the shoe. I gotta get the shoe. I don't think I never had one of these on the channel before. The shoe, Z3. One of these cars, they always look like they got a little crash. Like you see the chassis look like it's a little bent. Whew. Man, if I had all the money in the world, boy, I'd get me a shoe. That's 54. Whew. God dang. Got some vets, some M5s. I got Jamie over there parked up. All the money. Yo, I daily this gangster. Beautiful. Vet guys. This thing is nice. M2 GT500. Yo, what's up, bro? How you doing, man? What was it, GT500?
It's at the shop.
Oh, okay. I feel you. Yeah.
How you doing?
I'm all right, man.
How's the G82?
It's all right. It don't feel like that GT500, but it's all right. I tuned it after I rode in the car. You know, I tuned it. I did all of that stuff. It's fast. It's just not as violent, you know. Yeah.
This one is like
Yeah. Yeah. It the boost kicks in and it goes up top.
Right.
But that GT500, man.
Didn't you go around with cameras?
Yo, when you launched it in first gear, bro. Well, not launched it. When you hit it in first over there in Mexico.
I gotta take it for a ride now.
Yo, bro, I don't know.
It's a twin turbo setup.
Wait, you put twin turbos on it?
Yeah, I took this.
I'll hit you up on IG. I gotta gain the ball sack for that. Yo, you guys take it easy, man. Yo, you crazy. The first S54 conversion I seen. 4-door, everything M3. Everything M3. This sound good too. Shout out to my guy. Oh, he did the, I don't want to touch his shit, but he got the plexi windows in here. What's up, brother? All right. Oh, tree almost took me out. This thing is nice. Love this shit. Full M3 drivetrain, man. Nice. Woo. Oh. That looks different. That's not, is that Brooklyn Gray or that's another color? That looks different from Brooklyn Gray, I'll be honest. M2. I don't know if you guys can tell, I'm tired, bro. I am tired. Look at that big dog. What's good, bro? I ain't recognize you with the Long Island Villain shirt on.
Oh, shit. I gotta get some merch from you, man.
Nah, man, listen, man. You put that shirt on, that's plus 5 points.
Yeah, we were rolling deep today.
Yeah, I heard 150 cars, something like that. Mike, nice to meet you, man. But yeah, man, what'd you drive? The X6? Never mind.
I'm waiting for my G8, dude.
Yeah? Man, I don't know. They gave me the 7 Series loaner. Bro, come sit in it, bro.
For real?
The 7 Series, yo, come sit in it. I want to sell my M4.
What?
I know, it's crazy for the 7, but I'm telling you right now. Man, look at that. Look at that, man. Yo, sit inside. You put your foot on the brake and it closes. Yeah, beautiful. Start button. And then that's how the car got stolen, bro. I'm pretty sure I get tired of it once a car pulls up on me and I can't beat him, but
you won't get tired of riding it.
yeah, you won't get tired of it. All right, brother. Yo, take it easy, man. This thing is nice. I was gonna get some rollers or something, brother. Yo, take it easy, bro.
Got you, man. What's up?
Nice, nice. I want to drive that M5, the 6-speed. Oh, man. Remember this. I know y'all remember this. He got a few upgrades on it. Carbon fiber hood now. He painted the hood and left the vents, as you should. You can always tell carbon fiber does look a little different. But, whew. He promised me that I'll take this for a drive and give you guys a video of my thoughts and impressions, so that's gonna come soon. Stay tuned. But I'm gonna be honest, man, I think I might be a GT4 guy over the GT3 for like, you know, hooning around. I don't know, man. This thing just looks sexy, man. It's a sexy looking car. This is the older one. It's not even a 718, but the front end, it's a beautiful car, man. Beautiful car. Once again, I want to thank these guys for throwing a super event competition.